Well, they haven't selected any jurors today. So right now they're just paring down the group until they get it to a more manageable size. As I said, they're starting out with 180 prospective jurors, so they're going to try to get that down to something more manageable, presumably, and then pick the final jurors out of that. They're looking for 12 jurors and 4 alternates. Opening statements are supposed to start Thursday. And then after the opening statements, that's when the prosecution begins its case. They begin calling in their witnesses and presenting their criminal case against Ryan Ruth. So Ruth is representing himself. Back in July, he requested that he be allowed to serve as his own attorney. But he still has standby counsel. He has 2 standby attorneys who would previously been his court-appointed public defenders. So those 2 attorneys that have been with the case for months are still in the courtroom. They're not sitting at the table with him, so they're sitting back behind him, and they're available in case he has any kind of legal questions, or I guess in worst case scenario, if he's just unable to continue representing himself, the judge can tap them to step back in and represent him for the rest of the case.